Now the next step now is to set your layers, which is the main reason why we are doing this topic. So in this corner here, you see layer properties. By the time you click it, you see this layer 0 that cannot be changed. Then you go new layer. You don't need to name it. You can name it, click inside this place and name the right click and change the name of layer, but you don't need to. You just need to put layer 1, continuous, layer 2, layer 3. Now, this place shows the color, so I can change it to green. I think one is green, put OK. Then this one is red, but you have to confirm what it says in the book. And this one is supposed to be dotted lines, continuous. It's supposed to be center line. So you load the center line. So you go down, 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 down. Center line, center line. You look for the center line there. That's center. And you click OK. So it's now loaded. You now click on it here. Don't forget to click on it here and put OK. So this is now a center line and it is red, and this is green, which is continuous line, and put OK. So now we have 3 layers. Now the idea of the center line is to get all these lines that divide the circles, all these lines, which is the real concept of a center line. You might not need to see it again. It can be hidden after you draw the whole stuff you want to draw. So the first thing to do is to start drawing is to follow the grids and the snap. So the snap, I think, is supposed to be 0.25 or something like that. The grid is meant to be, man, I've forgotten. I don't know what it is again. But what I'm just going to do is I'm going to continue working.